yeah, I mean, like, why do you keep on like exercising and doing your gymming stuff?
So that
Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel. So it is Easter Monday, means wala kaming work today. And Daddy and I and Paris, we are going out. And actually, si Paris tsaka si Mike, guys, they just went out to the shops for a walk while I was getting ready. Kasi, you know me, I take, I don't know, just like a long time to get ready. And yeah, dito na ako ngayon guys. Natapos na yung makeup ko. And this is my outfit for today. Ayan, so naka-sneakers lang ako guys and shorts and then black shirt and then jacket siya guys. So today, we are going to Frankston. So it is around, ano guys, mga 30 minutes drive from here. And because Mike wants to look at this threadmill. Threadmill? Threadmill. Yun ba yun guys, ang pag-pronounce? Threadmill? Pero kasi nga guys, diba, we have been working from home. Tapos si Mike, hindi siya nakakapunta sa gym. So gusto niya ng treadmill para kahit nasa bahay lang siya, he can still do the running and everything. So titingnan niya and nakita lang kasi niya sa guys sa Facebook Marketplace. Kaya i-check muna namin bago niya bibilhin kasi 'di ba? Alam nga naman ipa-deliver mo na tapos hindi mo nakita, 'di ba? You'll never know what it is, 'di ba? So that's why we're going and I'll take you with me kasi nga 'di ba medyo madalang lang muna yung ating vlog ngayon guys kasi hindi tayo nakakalabas. But now, since we are going for a drive, hindi naman kami lalabas guys sa crowded places kasi wala namang mga ganyan ngayon kasi nga, di ba? Quarantine pa tayo. So, habang hinihintay ko si Mike tsaka si Paris na makauwi, mag-story muna tayo. So, alam niyo guys, nakatanggap kami ng very sad news the other day. Yung kapatid ng lolo ni Mike, so ano yun? Great aunt ba tawag nun? Naapektuhan ng COVID-19 kasi galing siya ng overseas. I think she has been to Chile, I think. Tapos pagka-uwi niya dito ngayong naramdaman niya and nagpa-doktor siya guys that day. And then the next day nawala na siya guys. She died because of the virus. And it's really sad. Yung nga sabi ko kay Mike, pagkatapos talaga ng quarantine na to, bibisitahin talaga namin yung lolo niya. Kasi yung lolo niya is, what, 80 years old? Tapos, I think yung sister niya na nawala, I think she's only, I don't know, maybe 60 something. And, yeah, what's really sad is, diba, I don't think there's a funeral na mangyayari. Parang kinumate na yata siya guys, diretso para hindi na ang tawag dito, hindi na laganap pa yung virus. It's really sad. I only met her once kasi nung Christmas party 2019 yata last time. And hindi talaga sila masyadong close to Mike kasi alam niyo naman dito sa Australia, medyo kahit kapatid siya ng lolo niya, maybe they see each other once a year. Yung mga ganyan. But still, you know, kadugo mo pa rin yun, guys. So, yeah, we're really sad about that news. I'm glad na hindi natuloy yung biyahe namin ni Paris next month. Kinancel ko na yun. Kasi nga, diba, normally, ewan ko, I think like the worst place na makukuha mo yung virus is yung airport. Kaya, if possible, kailangan i-cancel muna natin yung mga travels natin. Ayan na pala sila sa labas. So, they're just knocking on the door, guys. Kaya, i-open na natin. By the way, ito pala yung bag ko today. So cute! Backpack. Kasi hindi naman, uuwi lang naman kami agad. Kaya, very dark. Kaya okay lang. Hindi na kailangan magdala ng mga ni Paris. And it's the key. And then let's go out. Hello? Huh?
Just wanna go?
Huh?
Do you just wanna go?
Wait a little bit.
That's fine.
12:30. Where is the goal? I think it's very dark. Hello, sweetie. Shush is playing daddy's phone. Hmm? Ayan na yung outfit niya, guys, oh. So cute. So, i-on muna natin yung sasakyan, guys. Kasi, para mag-warm up yung engine. You guys, oh, it looks very nice outside. What a nice day. Kaya nga lang, very quiet, guys. Parang ghost town kasi alam niya na. Okay, let's turn the car on. Oh, very dirty ang sasakyan natin, guys. Andito na ating prinsesa, guys. Oh, tingnan niyo yung outfit niya. Nak, show me your outfit, Nak, be. Show me your outfit, ba?
Where's that, Aka?
Uy, we're not going in yet. Paris to go. Baba.
Paris is.
Uy. Check the mailbox. Oh, shush. Crying baby. So, umiyak siya kanina, guys, kasi she hit her head on the wall. Ayan. Pero may ice drop na siya, guys. Oh, kaya hindi na siya umiiyak. That's her favorite food. Isn't it, honey? Give some to mommy? No? No? Andito lang muna kami sa labas, guys, kasi hinihintay namin si Mike. Nag-toilet pa siya, kaya dito lang muna kami. Kasi ito siya, hindi to siya papasok sa sasakyan. Pag may kinakain pa siya, di ba, Nak? Give some to mommy. What's the color of your eyes?
Red.
Red.
Pink.
Oh, pink. Okay. Oh, that's the same color as mommy's jacket. Have a look. Have a look at mommy's jacket.
Pink.
Pink, yes, the same.
Purple.
Oh, is it purple?
Pink.
Oh, pink. That's right. Very quiet, guys. Uy, super. Kami lang dito ang gumagawa ng noise. Car?
Blue.
Blue car. That's right. How about this one? What color is that? This one.
Red.
Orange. That's right. Well done. How about that car?
Red.
That one. That one.
White.
White. Good job, honey.
Nuka.
Mm.
White.
So, hi guys! Finally, nakarating din kami dito. Yung inakala naming 30 minutes drive, umabot siya ng 43 minutes. Kasi, yung Google Maps sa phone kasi, it is normally showing the quickest way. And, in this case, guys, it involves the, tawag dito, yung tollway ba? And, I'm not prepared to pay for the fee. Kaya ginamit namin yung back roads. Medyo natagalan kami. But anyways, we're still here early naman. So, we're not late. Lumabas lang si Dara i-check yung treadmill. So, itong treadmill daw, guys, kung brand new daw to, maybe it's worth $2,000. But, kasi second hand na to, guys, yung bibilhin ni Mike. If magustuhan niya, bibilhin daw niya. Pero, they're only selling it for $500. Kaya yun, very excited si kuya nyo na bilhin. He's very into health and fitness. And kung hindi nyo pa alam, he was a personal trainer. Tapos nag-stop siya kasi finokus muna niya yung career niya sa sa isang work niya. Ayan siya, guys. Oh. Ayan. Nag-check muna siya. So guys, namatay yung battery ng camera ko, guys. Kaya if na-notice nyo na change yung quality ng ating video is because I'm using my phone. Kasi itong camera ko, guys, namatay. Alam nyo, guys, I really hate it pag I'm in the middle of filming tapos namatay yung camera natin. I really hate it. That's why I am thinking, pag sana natapos na tong quarantine, lockdown, pag nag-open na yung mga shops, I want to buy like another battery para dito kasi ang bilis mag-lowbat. Gusto kong bumili ng extra ba para ganito nagbiyahe kami. Hindi ko ma-charge yung camera ko. Yung battery pala. So, yung gagamitin ko muna is yung phone natin and sana hindi masyadong pangit yung quality kahit pangit yung nag-video. Pero yun nga guys, si Mike andun pa rin. Kitang-kita ko may negotiate pa sila. Kasi ako guys, wala akong alam sa mga ganyan. Hindi kasi talaga ako mahilig mag-exercise. Pero nga, as mentioned before, diba, si Mike, he knows what he's doing. Like, he knows what he's looking for. Alam niya yung mga, yung mga little bits and pieces ng treadmill. So, ayan si Paris, guys, sa likod. Nanonood ng nursery rhymes niya. Ayaw patang matulog. Anak, sleep na ikaw, nak! Hindi, ayaw niyang matulog talaga, guys. So, guys, andito na, nakabalik na si Mike sa loob ng sasakyan. Sir, approve. Yes, bibilhin daw niya. Maganda daw. Tapos, sabi daw nung, ng may-ari, nag-wonder daw sila kasi si Mike daw hindi nagtawad sa presyo nila. Kasi lahat daw nang nagpunta dito, nagtingin ng yung treadmill nga, guys. Sabi daw, will you take this, will you take that? Pero, si Mike kasi yung tao na, guys, pag alam niya na worth it, yung something, yung bagay na bibilhin niya, hindi yan siya tatawad. Magkaiba kami dyan kasi ako tatawad talaga ako kasi I want the best price possible. I want the best price possible. Pero, sa kanya kasi, hindi. Yung worth yung iniisip niya. At pag sa tingin niya na fair naman yung nagbebenta, then, yeah, he'll take it. Anyways, dahil nga, nabaitan sila kay Mike, guys, i-deliver nila yung treadmill. Kasi, wala kaming lagyan, guys. Saan pa ba namin ilagay yung treadmill? Tapos, malaki naman, hindi yan kakasya sa boot. So, meron kasi silang malaking sasakyan, guys. So, yun, sabi nila, i-deliver daw nila ng Wednesday. Tapos, kasi nga, diba, guys, sabi ko 40 minutes drive. So, yeah, very nice of them to deliver it for Mike. But, yeah, did you like it?
Yeah, it was nice.
Yeah. So I was just telling them before that you're really into health and fitness.
And that I'm also not a tight ass. I just...
Also not a tight ass, yeah. Hindi yan siya, kuripot, guys. Yeah.
I just paid a price. That's
Okay.
that's I think's fair.
Good job, Daddy. Can you see his hair, guys?
Artista.
No, he's trying to do like a man bun. And it's growing. Dahil nga sa quarantine, guys, hindi na siya makapaalot. He can't go to the barber shop. But he's really planning to do it anyways. Ayan, haba na sa likod, guys, ha? Yan yung tattoo niya, guys. But yeah, that's good. That's good then. So now we're just gonna go home. What time is it now, Daddy?
It is 2 o'clock.
2 o'clock. Yeah, by the time we get home, it will be 3 o'clock. And then, yeah, we don't have any plans today, really. Can't do anything. But yeah, before we go, I'm going to ask you a question. Why do you want to, keep looking good?
But I want to keep looking good.
Yeah, I mean, like, why do you keep on, like, exercising and doing your gymming stuff?
So that it'll entice you to make baby number 2 of me.
Buang mo na siya, guys. So, explain further.
No, seriously. I mean, how? Alright.
Uy, may bata na sa likod na naiyak na.
Yeah, give to daddy.
Buang.
You sure?
Anak, sleep na ikaw, anak. Guys, anong oras na hindi pa siya nagnap? But anyways, yun yung answer niya sa question natin, guys. Para daw magawa na kami ng baby number 2. Para makip na niya yung, yung shape niya. Anyways, Bob, just tell them the reason.
Because it's important to look after yourself.
Yeah.
And obviously, when you've got a healthy body, you've got a healthy mind.
Yep.
When you feel good about yourself, you tend to achieve more.
Guys, pang Miss Universe talaga yun siya magsagot, guys. Actually, I'm planning to actually do a Q&A with him if he will participate.
If he will share his wisdom.
Kasi guys, like marami talaga kayong matutunan sa kanya, guys. Like he's really good at that stuff. Like I'll give you that.
At talking shit.
Talking crap. But yeah, that's it, guys. That's it for today's video. I think yeah, we're just gonna go home now and just chill.
I'm gonna play with Paris.
And play with Paris, yeah, of course, because it's, yeah, as mentioned before, it's a nice day outside. But yeah, I hope that you enjoyed this video. Give this a thumbs up.
Thumbs up.
Give this a thumbs up if you like, and also hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. And yeah, I hope to see you all guys in the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can't,
Be careful.
bye.